Okay, Yogi, I'm ready, bring it. Everybody, welcome to Burke Bunch Moments. What are we doing today, Yogi? It's kind of exciting.
Drinking water.
Drinking water. It's the water drinking challenge. How much? No, it's not. What are we doing for real?
Unboxing.
We are unboxing Yogi's newest purchase. A $700,000 Nerf gun.
Yep.
This thing is a little bit small, but we figured maybe it'll be cool inside. Just, check out the size of the box. Holy, that is a massive box from our good friends at Amazon. Open it both ways. Ooh, you got some paper.
Woo! Paper for life. Whoa!
Lots of paper.
Look at that, baby.
What is it? Ooh. It's the Nerf Rival Kaos.
Okay, so this is the beautiful box. So my favorite part of the box is this little thing here. It's the ball that comes with it, and it's just like oddly satisfying. So this thing can go 100 feet per second. You are going to need 6D batteries for this high-speed shooting gun. The final opening. Oh! I think it comes in a reasonable sized box. Holy. Oh, you guys saw it before I did. That's huge. So you can see. Whoa, this is huge. Yay. Wow.
That is a big cartridge.
Does it go in this way or this way? So here's the cartridge. We are not going to use that just yet because we need to start with the batteries. Ah, there it comes off.
That was easy.
Oh, huge pack for batteries. So this is how you put it. You put the flat side in first. Make sure the spring goes down far enough. There we go. I'm getting the hang of it. Now we slide it in. Okay. Give it a sound test. Oh, it looks like we've got some flip-up scopes, so you just go like, ooh, iron sight. Ooh, that's loud! Okay, so now I believe you slide these little buttons down and put them to the side, and then you put your rival balls in.
That's a lot of rounds, Yogi. I'm getting nervous.
Don't press the release button before you because this, the release button, you hadn't put this back on. Back on. Okay, now it's good. Whoa! Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna shoot this. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my.
Okay, so when you're closing and opening the jam door, it should be orange here. If it's closed, if it's opening, if it's halfway open, it'll be black, and if it's fully open, it'll be red. But the balls go through go onto this, get pushed and squeezed through these conveyor belts, shooting at super speed and making it shoot at 100 feet per second.
So the two spinning wheels.
Yes. Okay, so gonna shoot at the camera. Okay, so the next thing is the rival masks. This is what we're gonna use when I shoot my dad.
What? All right, let me try this thing. So you definitely want this to protect your eyes and sensitive areas. You may want to wear a jock. One chance to shoot me, and that's it. So somehow Yogi convinced the dad to get shot at by something that shoots 30 meters a second. So I'm wearing full protective mask, and I should have a scarf on or something. I'm doing up my buttons. Okay, Yogi, I'm ready. Bring it. Oh my goodness!
That was fun!
Okay, that was the scariest thing I ever saw in my life. Okay, Yogi is being super brave and is going to get shot at. Are you ready, Yogi?
Nope.
Yeah. All right, now don't move. You got to stay still. It's going to be cool. You're going to love it.
Yeah,
It's the most fun you ever had. Don't turn! Don't turn, you're protected. Ready?
That was fun!
Oh, Yogi!
Close my eyes most of the time.
You can't help but do it.
But when it comes, you blink, so you're barely even seeing anything.
I know.
It's like.
All right, Yogi's gonna shoot at me one more time, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Ow! Higher! Stop! Oh! Ow! Whew. I got holes in my chest.
Okay.
Well, that's it for this video. I could probably count 50 welts on my chest. These are a great purchase, Yogi. And what do they say on the box?
This is not a protective device.
It is. It protected me and Yogi, so it was really good. So a couple things wrong with it. What would you say? It's heavy. It's 60 batteries. This thing is a beast. It is heavy. The only other thing I would think is when you're loading it, there's like a little chamber, and as you saw earlier, you hit that and they just fly out, right? But other than that, tell some good things about it.
Oh, it's just amazing. So, this is the MXV1 4000.
Chaos Edition.
A lot of people have said it's hard to load, but we had no problem loading, no jamming whatsoever.
Nope.
So I would definitely suggest this.
Now, Nerf Rival is not for the little kids. Let me tell you, these things fly out super fast. So get yourself some safety goggles because you will feel it even with the goggles on. Anyway, we hope you've enjoyed this Burke Bunch video, and we have some special news for you. Yogi.
YOLO Yogi.
Yogi is starting his own YouTube channel. It's called YOLO Yogi. We'll put a link in the video. Make sure you go and check out. He's going to be doing what on that channel?
Well, I'll be gaming.
Gaming?
I'll be doing Nerf gun reviews, and I'll also be doing Nerf gun battles.
Lots of fun stuff. So, just another Burke Bunch TV channel to check out. So make sure you check out Yogi's channel. And yeah, like you said, check out Burke Bunch Gaming because we do have new stuff coming up there shortly. Okay. See you next time. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all under Burke Bunch TV. And, you know, subscribe, right?
Uh-huh.
And what should they click?
The subscribe button?
The bell.
Oh, did you
Click the bell because I don't know where the bell is. Click the bell because that will let you know when we have more great Burke Bunch TV. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
See ya.